Okay, this piece was broke, and as you can see, that back panel does not come off my dryer like it does on the other Samsungs. And I cannot believe I got the piece replaced. I replaced it myself, and I got the belt to go on it. So check this out. Sorry for the mess, but see how that belt goes on there? And you've got to lift that pulley all the way up with one arm with your fingers and get that belt to go around the motor and around the pulley. Through this little hole. I cannot believe I did that. But I guess a $15 part online is a whole lot cheaper than a dryer. So, hooray for me, I guess.